Hello, guys. Welcome to Self Help Maths Academy. In the previous session, we have discussed about the indefinite integral. Part 1 we have seen. Now, let me take some examples. So, suppose we have here like evaluate, say integration of 3x square minus 2x plus 6 dx. Okay, here if you observe carefully, it is including three functions. It is integration, like integral of 3x square we have, 2x we have, and 6 we have, with some plus and negative sign and the positive sign. So first, if you remember the property, we have integration of f of x plus or minus g of x dx. If we have like this, then we have integration of f of x dx plus or minus integration of g of x dx. This is what we have discussed. Now I'm going to observe, I'm going to apply this particular formula, or you can say the property. So here if you see this, if I take it as f, this I take it as g, and this if I take it as some k function, then it is having negative and positive sign together with this. So let us separate it first. So now I'll write it as integration of 3x square dx minus integration of 2x dx plus integration of 6 dx. Okay, now if you observe the first function carefully, here this integration is including, there is a constant 3 associated with this function x square. In this there is a constant 2 associated with the function x, and here it is a constant 6. So if we remember the property, we know that integration of k into f of x dx we have, then we can write it as k into integration of f of x dx. One of the properties says. And another property we have integration of k dx. If we have integration of constant, it is simply kx plus c. So here we can add this integral constant. So we are going to use these two property now. If you see the first one, this is 3x square dx. So here I'll just take this 3 out, then it will be integration of x square dx, and in this case negative sign I'm keeping, and this 2 I'm taking out, and it is integration of x dx, and here it is constant. Let me take now for time being. So here now if you observe carefully, this is like x to the power something. Here also it is x to the power something. So we know that there is a formula which we have discussed, integration of x to the power m dx. If m is not equal to -1, then this is equal to x to the power m plus 1 over m plus 1. So this is the formula. Now I'm going to apply this formula. In this case my m is 1, m is 2 here, and in this case x to the power 1 means my m is 1 here. So I can write this as 3 into, use the formula, this will become x to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay, minus 2, this will be x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, then plus, here if you observe carefully, this is just a constant. So therefore integration of any constant by using this formula, it is k was a constant, therefore it is kx. Since 6 is a constant here, it will become 6x plus the integral constant c. Now we can just simplify this further. It will become 3 into x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 2 into x to the power 2 divided by 2 plus 6x plus integral constant c. So now if you see this 3 I can cancel here. So this will become, and also here this 2 also I can cancel with 2. So this will be x cube minus x square plus 6x plus some integral constant c. So this is the answer. Okay, so now because here in each example you should observe carefully. So what are the properties I'm using and how exactly we are applying those properties. So if you know the properties and if you understand the properties clearly, then you can solve the examples accordingly. So let me take another example here. If I have, say, integration of, say, something like 7 minus 9x to the power, say, 2 by 5 dx. Okay. So here also carefully when we observe that it is containing two functions here, and with in between we have a negative sign. So let me use the first property, the property which we have discussed, f of x plus or minus g of x dx. So here first let me separate this and also observe this 2 to the power 2 by 2 over 5 is inside the bracket and it is for x to the power 2 by 5. So don't confuse here. So when you're separating it, so it is integration of 7 dx minus integration of 9 x to the power 2 over 5 dx. All right. So now still you can see in this we have constant here. So let me write it again, 7 dx minus 9 I take out, it is integration of x to the power 2 over 5 dx. Okay. So as we know, integration of the constant here, if you see integration of constant is constant into x plus c. So here I apply this will become 7x minus 9 I have kept as it is. It is again x to the power something like x to the power 2 by 5 is there. So I'll write this as x to the power 2 over 5 plus 1 divided by 2 over 5 plus 1. So plus integral constant c. Now simplify this further. It is 7x minus 9 into x to the power, here I can 5 and 1 is there, so LCM will be 5. So therefore it is 1 times of 5 here. So 2 plus 5 will be 7. 7 over 5 divided by 7 over 5 plus integral constant c. So further one more step, 7x minus. So here if you observe carefully, it is like 9 divided by 7 over 5, or in like say for example you have something like x divided by a by b, you can write this as x into b by a. The same way I'm just writing this now as 9 into 5 over 7 x to the power 7 by 5 plus some constancy. So you can further simplify it further, like 9 times of 5 will be 45 over 7 x to the power 7 over 5 plus integral constant c. So this should be your answer. Okay, so when you are observing the questions carefully, please try to apply the formulas or the properties properly, and you can do the examples as and when you understand the concept clearly. So you can do the examples easily without using all these steps. But as a beginner, you can use all these steps, well, step by step we can understand the formulas and we can do them clearly and thoroughly. Okay, so let me take some more examples in the next part. So till then, take care guys.